wanted to share the tool that I use in the garden for tagging my fig trees and berry bushes. Not so much herbs, but occasionally. This is a Dymo Mite tape writer. This is vintage. I got it on eBay. They still make them, I believe, but they're pretty expensive from what I saw. And basically it's just a tape printer, but this is more industrial. It can handle aluminum tape with an adhesive backing or not. You can also get different thicknesses. This is a 1/2 inch thick tape rather than the normal 3/8 that you'll often find. So rather than using these plastic tags that can eventually crack in the sun and fade or blow away, or these wooden sticks which will also fade over time, this is my preferred method. And you're basically going to print out something that looks like this. I use a piece of garden wire to attach it, and let me show you how it works. So I need Arctic Kiwi September Sun. And there's no space, you just advance. It doesn't take much pressure, which is nice. And I usually add the year that I planted at the end. And there's no 0, so you're going to go to O. And it should come out looking like that. I'll advance it the rest of the way with the dial here. Here's the finished print, and I use these heavy-duty shears pretty much just for this purpose, so I don't dull a better pair. And to attach, I just use a socket as kind of a tie, and I will punch a hole through the aluminum. It's not very thick, but it can be sharp. So there's that, and just for good measure I'll flatten out the back. And from there, just take a piece of garden wire. I usually go for about a 10-inch piece, that way I don't have to worry about it choking the plant off anytime soon. Feed that through. There we go. Much nicer than my handwriting. It's not going to fade, crack. Probably not going to blow away if you tie it right. A little bit of a garden upgrade. Dymo Mite tape writer. Thanks for watching.